A new client came to us with his iPhone 14 Plus after it took a hard fall from a construction site. The screen was completely destroyed, the kind of impact you can see from across the room. We replaced the screen with a high-quality part, ran full diagnostics, and made sure everything worked perfectly. Another phone saved. If your screen looks like this, don't wait. Bring it to Digimobile in Ronkonkoma for fast, professional repairs you can trust. We'll get you back up and running in no time.
The streets are rivers made of glass, reflections of a world too fast.